Good afternoon. It's nice afternoon. It's nice sky. Look at the sky. Beautiful sky. Here in Maryland, USA. Big shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, subscribe, please do. It's me again, Espinel Vlog. Beautiful day. Look at the sky. Beautiful day. Is May 30th. 5:30 in the afternoon here in the USA. It's beautiful day. Look at the sky. The sun is bright. Everything is nice. So, road trip to pick up Johanna from work. So, there you go. Thank you for watching, everyone. God bless you all. See you again soon. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. My YouTube channel is me again, Espinel Vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Here is the weather today is clear, very nice, sunny and dry. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. See you again soon, and God bless you all. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you. It's making next vlog. So please like, share, subscribe. I ask you favor to like, share, subscribe, and visit my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinel Vlog. Thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you, and God bless. So long.